what type of investing are you drawn to? How do people kind of discover what I'll call their investor DNA?
When I say this, it's going to sound like I'm super disciplined, and I'm not. I don't want to put myself up on a pedestal like we don't splurge every now and then or do things that make no financial sense. That is definitely not us. But my appetite for risk is low, just because of where I came from. When I say where I came from, being broke, bankrupt, foreclosed on, I don't like to do things that are super risky. And what I consider risk are things that I don't know much about. So when I learn something and become passionate about it, then it becomes something that I'm willing to invest in or not invest in. So my DNA changes based on what my interests are. So if you'd have asked me 5-6 years ago, it would have probably been crypto, stocks, the market. Now, land, insurance, trusts, funds, things that may be super boring but are super predictable. We bought 90 acres of land 3 years ago. We bought it for $547,000. Obviously not in Williamson County, it was in Hickman County, Tennessee. Made some improvements. Actually my wife called to see what they think the value would be, but I'm guessing 2.5 million. Depending on now obviously if I put $3 million into it, that was a stupid investment, but we didn't. So we've improved it. We've added a house to it, fencing, renovated barns, storage, old farmhouse that's getting renovated. So yeah, we put money into it, but so far, knock on wood, we've never lost in real estate. So yeah, land is a good place. Insurance, very predictable. When I say very predictable, it's guaranteed. It's a fixed rate of return. And then what I do with it only emphasizes what the rate of return is. So there's a lot of weird and creative things that we've done inside of insurance to grow that and to grow our trust. But yeah, honestly, super boring stuff. I wouldn't sit here and say, I'm in this kind of mutual fund or this kind of stock, or I sit here and day trade Tesla. That's not me. But I know people who do that. It's not me. So, obviously that kind of runs the gamut of not quite everything that we do inside of Replace University, but that was a small snippet of things that we talk about and do inside of Replace University. So, feel free to hop over to replaceuniversity.com, schedule a call, sign up for free information. I don't care. Do whatever appeals to you. And worst thing that will happen is you walk away with some extra education and value.
And don't you have a community of people who are also investing and you can bounce ideas off of?
Yes, actually that's where some of the best ideas come from. We get people in the community. Now you've got thousands of people in this community. And that's the cool thing about people, and especially networking with different people with different perspectives and different backgrounds. They present things that you may never think of. And sometimes they're right there in front of your face. So yeah, we have really cool opportunities that we didn't come up with. It was members of our community. It was like, hey, you've got an audience of thousands of people inside of just the client member section. This is what I'm doing and it's working. Would you like to share it? And I'm like, dude, if it's working for you, let's map it out and see if it would work for the majority of individuals. And then, let's present it. Absolutely. So that's where some of the best ideas come from, is actually from our clients, not even from us.